up, everybody? It's me, your boy Kaden, and today we're back with another MTD video. You know what we're gonna be doing? Well, I'm gonna be showcasing some of my customized trucks. What I mean by some, I mean all of them. There's one. This one's kind of ugly, but this truck right there, that truck right there. Oh my god, man. It fits on all of these maps that are like bright. It fits on like all of the maps that are like snowy. Like Forest Fair and it fits on all of those maps because probably know. All I did was change the rules. Now that I think about it, I probably should have changed the rules. I was about to call it El Toro Loco. Nah, that's not El Toro Loco. That's crazy. So that's why I be getting copyrighted. Oh, bro, but the music is cool, bro. Cool. Wait, hold on. Truck rule. Bruh. Yeah, chassis. Oh, bro, I have literally every single truck in the game. Alright, bro, come on, bro. You can't say anything about him, bro. He looks cool. Alright, he looks cool. Mostly because he kind of matches. If you say this dude looks absolutely garbage, there's completely something wrong with you. This truck kind of look ugly, not gonna lie. Barefoot, I have not, yes. Look cool. Looks cool in my mind. Probably not yours though. I completely messed this dude up. Him. Bigfoot Odyssey. I think he looks decent. Carolina Crusher. I like the tires. That's all I like. This guy is just a straight up mistake. Monster Mayhem. Nothing changed. This one I didn't make. Looks a little ugly. Sorry. You can tell that I made that one. That's literally all I could change. That's literally all I could change. This one just leave it alone. It matches, it toasts to itself. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. Spider. Nah, Black Widow. This one just has too much blue. This one has too much red, but guess what? There can never be too much red. This one just looks absolutely disgusting. This one, too much pink. I hate pink. Wild Thing, nah, I didn't upgrade him yet. Wicked, Wicked, Wicked. Over here looking like Lightning McQueen, McMean. I haven't got to him yet, but there was a party yesterday and yeah. I'm customizing it with you guys. Pretty easy, just put a USA. I have a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. I don't know if I should only put one. I'm gonna try two and see how it looks. No, I might change it. I don't know. Absolutely not. Change that to white. Or still looks ugly as heck. Why did they put it like that? No. No. Everything keeps appearing in my face. USA colors, yeah. Glassiness, why not? Rim details. That's not USA. What am I clicking on? I have a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. I swear if I keep clicking on it. Oh yeah, USA. I have a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. I think I put that in the wrong place. I think I should change that to yellow. Yeah, no, I'm changing it to white. There you go. Looks pretty decent, I guess. Looks a little ugly, but it's better. Could look better. I'm just gonna put what I always put. What is that? Hey. And there you go. I might change the flags. I might not. Actually, I might change the flag. I don't know, but leave a like if you think it looks pretty decent. Leave a comment if you think it looks kind of cool. Subscribe. Don't subscribe. You don't have to, but it's free. I'm not forcing you to do it. It sounds like I'm forcing you to do it, but I don't really care. Actually, you can already tell that I really don't care. Because, bro, if I cared, I would post daily. Guess what? I don't post daily. Gravedigger! Knock off Avenger! No! Speaks for itself. What am I gonna change about this? I could just put a checkered flag on that one. King Kong, and we're back. See you guys later. Or not later. I don't care.